use this Night and Wilson colour. We have tried to colour it, as I said before, and we've used this very light pink, which is a washout colour. But I think her hair was a little bit too dark, so we're going to go up a step and use this. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes.
Fingers crossed
She's
it'll work.
Excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm a little bit scared.
I'm a bit scared.
But I'm excited too.
Yeah, I'm nervous, I'm excited.
Arabella washed her hair probably a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
I have just brushed it through. So I think we just apply this.
I'm nervous when he's going to get it on my earrings.
Now, I know you're not really supposed to colour children's hair under 16, but I'm only touching the ends, I'm not doing the tops. So I'm only going to be rather doing the ends.
So please don't tell everybody.
Too late, Arabella, you're on camera. So, sit your bottom back.
I'm so nervous to do this, guys.
She's not, she's excited.
I'm excited as well.
You are excited.
It's probably going to be the colour of Mummy's jacket.
So it's just a squeezy bottle, and this is what it actually comes out like. So we'll just apply this to her hair.
And it looks red, so I know it's going to come out red and not pink. It might be the colour of Mummy's jacket. And there we go. I'm dyeing my hair pink.
So if you haven't seen Arabella's hair before, it's actually quite a dark blonde. So it'll be if this turns out or not. And her hair is actually down to the middle of her back. It's definitely a lot brighter than the last pink I used.
I think the smells a bit.
I will show you the back once I just get her hair dyeing.
So excited. And make sure you subscribe to our video and click the notification bell so Mummy's gone to do whatever she needs to do. My hair feels really heavy. Can you see it, guys? I can see the... Whoa! Guys, this was totally crazy. What do you think I look like with pink hair?
It's not quite done yet, Arabella. So as I said, I've only done the bottoms. Turn round so I can show. As I've said, I've only done the bottoms. Obviously the towel's absolutely wrecked. I think it has to stop on for about 20-30 minutes. 20-30 minutes, and then we'll wash it out and see.
I feel happy about it now. And my dressing gown is kind of the colour I had last time, but it never showed up on my hair because it's so dark. Right, and then this one's like really dark. So I'm happy.